Fantastic science!
Today, we will be doing a fun experiment with sound. We will make a drum set with pots and pans and a glass jar xylophone.
Wow! That sounds so cool!
Yes, it does. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! This is a super fun experiment to see how different sounds are formed. Science has shown that when children learn to play music, their brains begin to hear and process sounds that they couldn't otherwise hear.
Let's make the drum set.
Step 1. Place the pots and pans in order, from smallest to biggest. Banging on a drum helps build gross motor skills. Time to have fun and play the drums. Banging on pots create different musical sounds. Smaller pots or pans create a pitchy and softer sound. The bigger the pot gets, the louder the sound will be.
Now let's make the xylophone.
Step 1. Place the glass next to each other in a straight line. Step 2. Now pour the water. A little more water in each jar. Now add the different colors of food coloring to each jar. Did you know that the xylophone can make children smarter, and it plays an important role in the development of children's imagination and creativity? Step 4. Now use the wooden spoon or stick to play the xylophone.
Yay!
When we tap each xylophone bottle, we cause the glass to vibrate. This vibration produces a higher pitched sound when there is less water in the bottle.
I like this color. Wow, it's super fun!
Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Now that was an amazing sound experiment. And now you know how to make musical instruments right in your home. But
We need to go now.
But please remember to subscribe to our channel for more science fun. See you all next time. Goodbye, future
Goodbye.
scientists.